SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Your iPhone 13 gives you the option to choose your default web browser. If you've never changed this option before, then it's probably currently set to Safari. The default web browser controls what app is used when you tap a link in one of your other apps, such as Messages, Mail, or Notes. For example, if I open Notes and tap on a link there, then it's going to open in the Firefox browser because that's the one that's currently set as my default. Again, if you've never changed this before, then tapping a link like that is probably going to open in Safari. But if you have changed your browser before and you aren't sure what you're currently using, then there's a way to check. You can check what the current default web browser is on your iPhone 13 by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and choosing the Safari option. Now you'll see that there's a default browser app button here, and it says Firefox to indicate that my current default web browser is Firefox. So if I tap that button, I can see the options that are available on my phone for the default browser app, and I can choose one of those. If I switch it back to Safari, then I can go back to the Safari menu, and you'll see that the default browser app option is gone. If you open the Safari menu and you don't see a default browser app, then that indicates that the Safari is currently set as the default. If you want to change it to something else, then you can just scroll down a little bit and find another web browser. So for example, if I chose Chrome, then I could tap the default browser app button there, and I would be able to select from one of the other apps listed. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.